Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hawaiian roll French toast. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 Hawaiian sweet rolls, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This combination creates a rich, flavorful custard that perfectly coats the sweet rolls. Make sure your ingredients are at room temperature for the best mixing results. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful breakfast treat. Now let's prepare the custard and soak the rolls. In a shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until thoroughly combined. Next, carefully slice each Hawaiian roll in half horizontally. Take each roll half and gently dip it into the custard, allowing each side to soak for about 15 seconds. This ensures the rolls absorb enough of the mixture without becoming overly soggy, creating a perfect texture. It's time to cook our delicious French toast. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat, then add about 1 tablespoon of butter, allowing it to melt and coat the pan. Carefully place the soaked Hawaiian roll halves onto the hot skillet. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. This gentle cooking process ensures a crispy exterior and a warm, soft interior, making every bite a delight. Finally, let's get ready to enjoy your Hawaiian roll French toast. Once cooked, transfer the golden brown pieces to a serving plate. For a classic touch, dust them generously with powdered sugar. A drizzle of warm maple syrup adds another layer of sweetness and moisture. These are best served immediately, while they are still warm and fresh. This unique twist on French toast is perfect for a special breakfast or brunch, offering a delightful combination of sweet and savory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.